Tesla has reached 600,000 Powerwall installations. Tesla has reached a new milestone with the installation of its Powerwall energy storage systems around the world. Just as the company starts rolling out its next-generation version of the system in the US on Friday, the Tesla Energy account on X said that the company has reached 600,000 Powerwall installations worldwide. The milestone comes just weeks after the next-gen Powerwall 3 officially went on sale in the US after Tesla had slowly been deploying the new product throughout much of last year. Although Powerwall 3 orders only became available through Tesla's website earlier this month, installations of the system had been spotted throughout last year and were even pointed out by CEO Elon Musk. The company also dropped the price of the Powerwall 2 in the US and listed Powerwall 3 specs on its website last year, suggesting that an official launch may be imminent. Tesla has been a dominating force in the US battery storage market, claiming about 30.2% of the sector's market share in the country last year. Although the Powerwall 3 isn't yet available on the company's website for orders outside the US, the company has been delivering the Powerwall 2 around the world for the past few years. In November, Tesla announced that it had deployed more than 1 gigawatt-hour of Powerwall installations in Europe, which the company said was enough to power around 41,000 homes for 12 hours. Tesla has also been piloting what it calls virtual power plant (VPP) programs in recent years, essentially letting Powerwall owners sell electricity back to the grid in times of peak demand and creating a sort of giant, distributed battery across households. The company is currently piloting VPP programs in multiple U.S. states, including California, Texas, Massachusetts, and others, along with a recent program launched in Puerto Rico and other locations outside the U.S. Tesla launches Phase 4 of South Australia Virtual Power Plant source, reposted and summarized from Zachary Visconti at teslarati.